Welcome to Tiny Minds Toy Time, where calm play sparks big imaginations. This summer, keep it simple. Here's a calm and creative routine you can follow all week. Start the week with hands-on creativity using whatever you have at home. Tinker and test with toys, cardboard, and curiosity. Cool off with low-mess water play, inside or outside. Pause midweek with simple, mindfulness, coloring, and calm. Wrap up the week with child-led play and imagination. Get the free printable summer schedule, linked in the description. Thanks for watching.